Momentum makes milestones met. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 17 and I turn lazy people productive, and in today's video, what I mean by this is action equals success. This is the universal law of productivity, and I'd like to give you 4 G's to implement into your day-to-day life to become productive and utilize this universal law. If this sounds good, make sure you watch towards the end of the video where I give the most important tip of the video. Right, I really don't want to waste your time here. So the first G, gamification. So turning your work into a game will make it easier for you to do, and you'll be more consistent in doing it because you actually enjoy the work. An easy, cost-effective, simple way of doing this is having a cheeky competition with your friends. So if you and your friend are doing a similar endeavor, whether it be schoolwork or any kind of monetization game, just make it a competition. Who can complete the homework faster? Who can reach 500 subscribers faster? Who can post more videos a week? Who can gain more clients? Whatever it is, just turn it into a game and you'll find yourself more motivated to complete the tasks, be productive towards it, and it'll strengthen your friendship also. So that is the first G, gamification. Turn your work into a game and you'll get it done more consistently because you enjoy it. G number 2, gratification. So this is in regards to delaying your gratification by having something you want and simply setting it aside until you complete the work. I always do it with meal deals, a bit of lunch. I have it, buy it, and I set it aside where I can see it until I complete the work, and then I can consume it. This also helps with positive reinforcement loops around the work, because once you receive the reward, you're going to splurge of dopamine, and it's going to consistate you into completing the productive work in the future, because your body thinks if you complete it, there's a reward afterwards. So there's the second G, that is gratification. So we have gamification, gratification. The third G in today's video, goals. So the importance of goals is obvious. If you don't know what you're aiming for, then most likely you won't reach it. If a man knows not where he goes, then no wind is favourable. So having this direction and goal, not only during your year, for example, but having work session goals, week goals, day goals, hour goals, split it up to a fine, meticulated detail, and you'll have the direction in order to put the productive energy into. This paired with planning, as I always say on the channel, will be incredibly beneficial, because half of the battle of beating procrastination is having a plan to do so. If you don't know what you're doing, you can't do it. So there's the third G, which is goals. Finally, an intense and detailed final G, genes. So it turns out your genotype will affect how productive your work is. 4 main genotypes. There's a quiz in the description below from 16 personalities, and if you fill it out, you'll find out your genotype and what it means to you. But the 4 main genotypes. So you have an analyst who love innovation, strategy, and strategic problem solving roles and tasks. So an analyst is going to be more inclined to complete work if it falls into one of those categories: innovation, problem solving, or strategic management. Next, we have a diplomat who thrives in creative tasks and loves working with people. So in this case, then having an accountability partner or working with someone in person will be very beneficial for this genotype. Next, we have a sentinel. These people prefer structured, organized work blocks and love reliable tasks. The last genotype is an explorer. These people excel in hands-on, dynamic, and flexible roles, and that is the final genotype I'll cover in this video. The 16 personality quiz in the description that I will link. It's very beneficial to give you a detailed guide in what this means for you, but essentially finding out your genotype will be effective because you know what work is best for you based on your own physiology and the makeup of your personality. I believe this is something a lot of people gloss over, and they just try and force themselves into different varieties of tasks, but a lot of the time, if you're going against the curve, then you'll find it harder to complete the task. It's better just to align with your own personality and your physiology and genotype in this regard, and then you'll find it easier to get into the flow state of productive work as it aligns with you. And just as Newton said, the first law, inertia. Objects that are in motion are more inclined to stay in motion for longer periods. I butchered that. I know that's not what he said, but inertia is important. Once you've started, the hardest part is completed. Action creates momentum, and momentum creates success. That's the universal law of productivity. Momentum makes milestones met. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it at least inspirational, and I hope you use the top link in the description to figure out your genotype and hack your physiology. Utilize the 4Gs and utilize momentum. If you're looking to get more help from me, the top links in the description will take you to a page where you can book a meeting with me and I can turn you productive using reliable tips and techniques specified and tactified towards your day-to-day. It'll be based around you, and these tactics and techniques have helped a lot of people around the world just like you. If you're looking to become more productive, click on the top link. I look forward to seeing you.